My name is Philip Lau. I'm the Ralph C. Corley Distinguished Professor of Chemistry at Purdue University and also the Presidential Scholar for Drug Discovery. The addition of lung cancer to those cancers that can be imaged by Cytalux during cancer surgeries should be of great benefit to lung cancer patients. Lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer deaths among both men and women. And there are roughly 236,000 new lung cancer patients each year in the United States, so it's a major problem. What Cytalux does is it enables the surgeon to see these cancer lesions, these nodules, and to remove them. And so far, in the clinical trials to date, surgeons have been able to find additional cancer in almost 2/3 of all patients that have been treated with Cytalux. This obviously means that these patients otherwise would have had residual cancer remaining in their bodies after surgery, and that can lead to death and other complications. Well, we believe that Cytalux is going to revolutionize the treatment of ovarian cancer. It enables the surgeons to find this insidious disease that spreads throughout the peritoneal cavity. And malignant lesions are often very difficult to find because they hide under the intestines, under the omentum, behind the liver and places like this. And with Cytalux, they glow very brightly and can be seen with the aid of a fluorescent light. And it enables the cancer surgeon to see all of this malignant disease and resect it, thereby increasing the patient outcomes with this terrible disease. The approach to treating cancer patients in the past has always been to try to remove as much of the cancer tissue as possible and then treat the patient with chemotherapeutic drugs. History has shown that the subsequent chemotherapy generally fails to achieve a complete cure because it's very hard to kill all of the residual disease. This means that really the only sure cure for cancer is to remove all malignant lesions, to surgically resect all of the diseased tissue. And Cytalux has significantly aided the surgeons in finding this diseased tissue so that this goal of removing all of the cancer tissue during surgery and avoiding the need for chemotherapy can hopefully eventually be achieved. Well, Cytalux itself should be very effective in enabling the surgeon to see quite a number of other cancers, but there are some for which Cytalux won't be useful, and in those cases we are in the process of developing other tumor-targeted fluorescent dyes that will illuminate these other tumors so that eventually our hope is that a small cocktail of a few of these tumor-targeted fluorescent dyes collectively will enable a surgeon to image and resect essentially any human cancer.